like 9 something and we're gonna go get breakfast. And this is my outfit of the day. My t-shirt is from Paxton, but it's diamond. My boyfriend jeans are from Hollister, and for shoes I'm going with some flip-flops, and my tan line is so bad. I just came back to my room like an hour ago, watched like just an episode of 13 Reasons Why, and I'm gonna head out again. So yeah, see, days are kind of boring because I really just don't know what to do. So this is how it looks like from our room, and we're moving pretty fast right now, I guess, and the boat is really rocky. Just made it back to my room. I tanned for like an hour, swam for half an hour, and now I'm in my room and I'm gonna shower because I feel really sticky and really hot. I have dinner at 8:30. I had a hamburger, so I'm gonna watch some 13 Reasons Why and edit some videos because I have time. Just spent an hour editing the first day of Miami and it's finally done. And this is my fit for the evening. So my top is from Hollister, my mom jeans are from American Eagle, and shoes are checkered Vans. I'm gonna head out because there's a show in the theater and we're gonna watch it, and then we're gonna go to dinner. So I'm super excited to go eat because I'm hungry again, even though I had a hamburger at like 4:30, but now I'm hungry again, so I'm gonna go.
I'm saying what kind of